Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for our last episode. If you're here for the first time, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about Halloween in the United States. Now we're going to test what you've learned. Let's begin. Is Halloween celebrated on November 1st in the US? No, it's celebrated on October 31st. Did Halloween originate from a Celtic festival called Samhain? Yes, it came from the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain. Is Samhain a modern American invention? No, it began more than 2,000 years ago in Europe. Do Americans celebrate Halloween only by going to church? No, it's celebrated with costumes, candy, and fun activities. Is trick-or-treating a popular Halloween tradition for children? Yes, kids go door to door asking for candy. Are jack-o'-lanterns made from apples? No, they're made from carved pumpkins. Is Halloween now celebrated only by children in the US? No, people of all ages take part in the fun. Was Halloween always focused on fun and candy? No, it started as a spiritual and religious tradition. Is Halloween a good example of American creativity and celebration? Yes, it reflects imagination and community spirit. Do most Americans know the full history of Halloween? No, many celebrate it without knowing its ancient roots. Watch this feedback video again to strengthen everything you've learned. And don't forget to subscribe so you're ready for the next exciting episode in this amazing series on English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.